And we're back to learning Gimp here, day 98. Let me show you how the measure tool works. You can find out where the color picker tool is, so just go to tools, measure, shift M is the short key of it. I believe by default use info window is unchecked and auto is selected. Just left click drag and you can see the line, but nothing really is there as an information. Just check the box for use info window and then you can see distance, angle, width and height. And now the auto comes into play. Auto finds the angle automatically, but you can set that to horizontal and vertical. So in principle, every corner has basically two angles, one clockwise, one counterclockwise, and this is what you can set here under horizontal and vertical. A simple example would be to create an empty layer, then we call that object. I use the rectangle marquee tool, then the bucket fill with the black foreground color, select none. If I wanted to measure this now, I just left click drag, and at this zoom level, we're not really on point here. So let me zoom in, I hold Control and use the mouse wheel, and at a certain zoom level, it snaps to every pixel, so you can actually position that very precise. Once again, as a reminder, Shift Control J, that is for fit image in window to zoom out. And now you can see we have the perfect size here, and for the diagonal, I have to zoom in once again until it snaps. It finds the correct position, Shift Control J to zoom out. And if I wanted to have the other angle, I switch from horizontal to vertical. And this I can use the measure tool in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.